Weirdest animal eggs in the world. Let's start with shark eggs, which don't have a set shape. They can look like a drill or even a yellow pouch. The idea is that the egg shape changes based on where the shark wants to put them. Mama shark's goal is to make sure the eggs can stick to the plants at the ocean bottom, or even the sand, so they don't get carried away by the water. It's kind of like a stingray's egg, which looks like a black pouch with little ones inside. But if you found that weird, check out this egg that grows on a plant. Well, it doesn't actually grow from the plant. This bug, a lacewing, hangs its eggs on a plant, using a really thin silk thread to protect them. And speaking of protecting their babies, check out what this frog does to keep its eggs safe. This is the Suriname horned frog, and it reproduces through its back. Yep, those yellow dots are eggs. The little ones stay inside there until they're ready to handle themselves in the wild. Now, imagine having an omelet made from blue eggs. The reason these eggs are blue is this type of chicken from Chile. There's no specific reason for their color. It's just a characteristic of this chicken breed. But they're not nearly as expensive as these other eggs. That might look pretty gross, huh? But believe it or not, some folks pay a lot to eat these roe, which is just another name for fish eggs. These are the famous caviar. There are specialized companies that raise fish from little ones and carefully collect their eggs. And yes, they fish roe as just those tiny little balls, and they're inside the whole fish. In the end, these little things that almost look like seafood are tiny eggs. Even weirder than that is this fish that keeps its babies inside its own mouth. The yellowhead jawfish can carry up to 500 eggs in its mouth for almost 10 days until they hatch with their babies. And it's the males that do this. Speaking of dedicated parents, check out what this bird has to do to give birth to its offspring. Looking at the egg like this, it seems pretty normal, right? The bizarre part is that the egg is almost the same size as the whole bird. To take care of this egg, the kiwi bird has to change its entire bone structure. A mother will do anything for her babies. But when it comes to eggs with a strange appearance, none of them can beat the egg of a squid. To keep these eggs safe, squids build these casings to protect them and hang the offspring like they're bunches of grapes. In larger squids, the eggs get even weirder. Like these ones here. Some species can lay up to 70,000 eggs at once. Now take a look at how dinosaur eggs used to be. I know they don't exist anymore, but it's still amazing. It's a shame there isn't a fresh egg to be examined. But the material for studies remains very important. Some eggs that have been found already contain fossilized dinosaur hatchlings inside, which greatly boosted the study of both the eggs themselves and adult dinosaurs. The variety among species is enormous. There are spherical eggs, pill-shaped, drop-shaped, or shell-shaped eggs. The size also varies, but none found to date are extremely large. The largest ones measure 60 centimeters in length,